Oh my god, guys, the storm is freaking crazy. It is fudging crazy. Like, are you kidding me? Holy crap. Like, right now. Oh no. And my babe decides to go to the store. I'm like, I don't even think they're open, you know? People are like trying to battle their way out of here. He went to go check if the other one is open. Oh my god, this is insane. Like when I opened the door to take out my dog outside, oh my god. The whole door was like, what? Full of snow. Oh my dear lord. There's like a car stuck over here. A ver mi papi. Se fue para la tienda a chequear. Oh my god. Look at you guys. There's like... They're battling to remove the car out of the way. I'm gonna go check. Guys. What the heck? Like, look at that. My kids came outside, but they all got in trouble because... What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm sorry for all my cursing. But... They were... Yeah? No? That one? The Dominican store is open, of course. So... My baby's got me walking through the snow. Guys, I'm gonna show you. Holy crap. Look how high that is. Only this little guy decides to take me out. Guys, are you serious? Look at this. It's like up to me. Ese loco. Oh my god! Toda esta nieve. I can't. I'm gonna put the phone away, guys. I'm freezing my hand.
Hey! To the chippy.
Se distrae con Parnison.
Hi.
If you only clean, will you only come out of your room?
No. Not me too, because
You stop!
Michi said she's not gonna clean.
She has to. No, 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 no. ¿Qué? ¿Qué haces, papito? Yeah. Nice. ¿Qué es eso? Thank you. Go fetch. Oh, thank you. No, not too hard. No, not in my face. Oh my god. Hey.
Hola, Caleb.
Uh-oh. Cute.
What happened?
He said that thingy to put his hand.
No, I'm not gonna get you down.
Thank you for my invincible abs. Caleb, thank you for your invincible abs.
Boing. Boing. Caleb, stop being so rude.
Broke it in half. Now when I kick it, it goes so far.
Hit him with this in the head.
Ay, Luis. Boing. ¿Por qué? ¿A quién le vas a tirar? Boing. No, tú no te atreves con esa pelota. Oh, why what?
There are the mom's gonna go to watch the mom, the money that mommy gets. For her, she has a job to make videos.
Okay, guys, so guess what?
What?
No.
Ya deja de pegarle a tu hermanito, and I'm just here recording it. Ya! Stop it!
One more time, you better not sad.
Okay.
Do it. Okay. Alright, do it.
The truck that your pool saw me, then it's so whack.
Babe, you think the Brianna store is open? We need to go get milk.
Yes, it is.
Alcohol. What it? Hello! Hello, my cute patooties. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog. All my kids are put to bed. It's like 11, I think, already. And I wanna tell you guys, my beautiful, beautiful viewers, that I am gonna start putting my vlog the next day. So this vlog is gonna be up tomorrow. Okay, like when you see it today, confusing. Okay, whatever. So today's Saturday. This vlog will be up Sunday, and it will be up at 11. Okay, 11 a.m. Eastern time. And yeah, I'm gonna make it like that. I'm gonna try to upload them and let them and make them be up by 11, because it's getting really, really hard for me to edit them at night, because, you know, I'm like running around like crazy with my kiddos, putting them to bed, and then whatever. And then the uploading with the videos is just becoming insane. Like, it's taking forever. And so, I don't know. So I'm just gonna do it the next day. And, you know, I usually just have my baby because my other babies are at school. So it should be okay. And yeah, you know, because I need to get some sleep. Like, I'll be going to sleep like a 1:30, 2 in the morning, just editing and stuff. And sometimes, you know, not all the time, but you know, I do get very sleepy, like around already like 9. I want to go to sleep, but I really don't even go to sleep at 9. But you know, because I like to be watching videos on YouTube or whatever. But that's what's gonna be happening in this vlog. And I'm running out of breath, guys. I'm so out of shape. And this vlog, okay, I'm tired. And this vlog is gonna be, okay, wait, what? I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh my god, se me olvidó. Oh, so today I didn't like record as much, you know, it's gonna be short. So yeah, I mean, we were just basically here at the house and just relaxing, you know, with the kiddos and stuff. We were over there outside. I was outside with my boyfriend, helping him, you know, clean up the snow, clean up the car. And yeah, because it snowed like freaking crazy. I was really hoping that it would not snow this bad, but hey, we cannot end the winter without a snow like this. But this one was beyond crazy. It's like 20 inches already, and it's still snowing outside. Not like a lot like before in the morning. Right now it's like a little bit calm, so it's supposed to be done already, like in maybe an hour, in about an hour or two. So he went to clean like 1, 2, like 3 times or something, and then I went to help him, and oh my god, some crazy shenanigans happened. Also, we found like this drunk man, and it was so funny because pobrecito, like, he was so drunk. Like, are you serious? He fell, and so we went to help him and stuff, and he's like, don't touch me, don't touch me. And I'm like, oh my god. But then whatever, we didn't touch him, and then he went again, got up, and boom, he fell face down to the snow. And I was like about to cry because I'm like, oh my god, baby, please help him, pobrecito. And I'm over here like so emotional, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't bear to see that, you know. Probably some other people would just leave him alone because he's drunk, but if he's falling that bad and everything, you know, and I'm with my boyfriend, then yeah, I'll definitely help him, but whatever. It was a mess. Crazy story. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy my vlogs, you know. I hope you guys do, and if you do, please subscribe to me, okay? And just remember to be happy and stay positive and follow your dreams. Go for them. Go for your dreams. Accomplish your dreams, you know? And be very strong. Stay strong. And remember that I love you. Bye.